He's probably like Andy and is not gonna say I love you back.
What?
Breath, will you please tell me you love me?
I love you.
Thank you. Andy like wouldn't tell me that. He was like, no, that's gay. You a gay nigga.
Well, he's gay for not saying it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, Rith, is that Dark Souls your Skype picture? I'm so jelly, dude.
What? How am I dead?
That's how Dark Souls starts.
It really is.
I'm
It really
pissed.
is, man.
Let me look. Wow.
What?
That hunter and mage that I killed earlier came back and killed me whenever I logged out. I guess they killed me before my character disappeared.
Aw. That's not good.
Anyway, Colt, let's go watch Wolf of Wall Street. Matt, I cherish you. Naomi, I cherish you.
Cherish you.
Thanks, man.
Alright.
Matt, I cherish you.
Cherish you too.
Naomi,
Rith, I
please,
cherish you.
Naomi,
Lots
please
of
say it back.
cherishing going on.
Yeah.
Rith, say you cherish me back. It's only polite.
Yeah, say it back, Red.
I, ch
I cherish you.
I cherish all of you. I don't have to say it multiple times.
Okay.
Yeah, that's actually a good
Naomi,
thing.
I cherish you.
Uh-huh.
That is rude. You are a rude
Wow.
That is pretty rude, man.
That hurts.
Can you say it
What?
back?
Naomi,
What did I say?
I appreciate
So you
you.
cherish them.
I appreciate you being alive. Being a part of my friend's life. Being a part of my life.
That actually
Yeah.
sounded kind of cool for a moment.
Just so we can go and watch this movie, will you please say I cherish you guys?
I cherish you all.
That
You
is
sounded so like.
that's you're so fake. You're so fake.
You guys don't want to play the forest?
Nah, dude. Let's watch. We're gonna watch the Wolf of Wall Street. Then I probably gotta go to bed for work.
Fuck. All right.
Where are we going, Cruz? Discord or BNet? What do you want?
Same.
Discord.
Alright.
These guys.
Peace.
Hell
What's up,
yeah,
Floki?
Max White. We should totally start a Zerg. What's
No,
up, man?
you can't on that server. It only allows 3 people.
Nah, different server.
Oh.
Higher pop.